Okay, we are going to go ahead and start talking about the final exam. We are going to be talking about the diversity artist, Isabella Matsky. She does oil pastel painting scratch art. So what you are going to be doing, these are some inspirations of hers. We are going to be doing a background. We are going to be doing a table. We're going to be doing flowers. You can also go on to Google, search flower still life simple design, and you can see what you can come up with. It's also good to design your own. These are very simple shapes. We have triangles next to each other, diagonal lines, circles within circles, and you can use these ideas. That's not a problem. What you're going to do first is you're going to be doing sketches. So get me up here. So you're going to be using 3 9x12 pieces of paper to create 3 different designs based on her still life's concept. So like I said, you're going to have a background, you're going to have a table, and you're going to have a flowers in a vase. All right. Once you complete those sketches, you are going to upload them into a Google Slides and submit them all in one. All right. Do not submit them individually. All right. It's much easier for me to deal with grading that way. We're going to watch a quick little video on just doing a basic sketch about how easy it actually is. So this is on, and this is on my desk if you want to take a look at it. There's no sound, so you're able to look at this without disturbing anybody. I did make this a little bit darker because I know some of you have a problem seeing with the camera that the school provides us. But you want to pay attention to your lines about what you're doing. Make sure that you use your eraser as needed. And that is the top of my table. And make sure that you upload those correctly because it is 30 points, 10 points per sketch. And if you do not upload it as I request, you automatically get deducted half. So instead of 30, you will only get 15 if you do all 3 sketches. And you do want to work big. Like I said, it's going to make, with drawing anything, it's going to make your life a lot easier if you are drawing larger, especially with oil pastels. because we're going to be doing some blending with colors. And if you have really small flowers, it may get a little, it may smear. So you do want to work large. I mean, your paper is going to be 9 by 12. So just make it easy on yourself and make your objects large. Make your flowers large. Make your leaves large. Make your vase large. You want to make sure that you're using all your space. That one I just have a line. I'm making little circles. And just remember, you're going to be doing 3 different ones. I don't want you to turn in 3 that look almost identical. You need to do 3 different ones. Try to do different flowers. Try to do some different things. And you can go ahead and get started on this now if you're finished with the Laurel Birch project. And there I made some like little leaves that may have fallen off my little bouquet. But yes, that is on my desk if you want to take a look at it. And the paper is also on my desk. Mr. Norman knows where that's at. And the stuff in the box, don't bother with it yet. You're nowhere near that yet. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so this is step 2. Now, make sure that after every step, you're submitting what you accomplished. All right, so you should have, before you even start this, submitted all 3 of your sketches in a Google slide and have already submitted it. All right, if you do not have a phone for whatever reason, ask your neighbor, hey, can you please take a photo of my drawings and send them to me via email. Make sure you say please and thank you. Hopefully they'll be generous enough to help you out there. Okay, so once you get that submitted, you are going to pick one that you're going to transfer onto your one piece of illustration board. Your illustration board is 9 by 12. It should be the exact same size as your paper that you did your sketches on. Okay, we are doing a transfer, but we're doing a quick transfer. So we're going to watch a video that I created showing you how to do that. And I am pressing very hard with the pencil. You need the pressure. And you can see that that has transferred onto my paper. So make sure that you are covering the entire back of your sketch with the pencil. All right, needs to be dark. Then you're going to flip it over and you're going to press really hard with your pencil or a pen. A pen might be easier. There's pens on the supply table that you're more than welcome to use. I really wouldn't use your mechanical pencil because that's just wasting lead. And yeah, that's just wasting lead doing that. So a pen would be nice. So once you get that done, we are going on to step 3. So once you have it transferred, take a picture. All right, I want a picture of your transfer with pencil on your illustration board. Okay, so once you get that done, you are going to trace your drawing with a fine point Sharpie. And there is also going to be some of these. This says Smart School Smart Permanent Marker. I'm sure you guys can see that. Oh, it's backwards, but you understand what I'm saying. There is a huge plastic container on the supply table. All right, there should be more than enough. Make sure that the lines are thick. All right, so this is my drawing. You can still see the pencil lead, and that's fine, okay? But you want to cover all of your lines with black marker. It's very, very important, okay? You can even make the lines thicker, all right? But do not use those ultra fine because you're not going to be able to see it. And you have to be able to see it, okay? When you get that finished, take a picture. All right, take a picture. You're going to submit your pencil drawing, your pencil transfer, and your black Sharpie together in a Google slide, and you're going to submit it. Okay, because I want to know the steps that you took to get to where you're at. All right, I think that's the easiest way to go about this, and you're getting points for all this. All right, so we're going to stop here. I think that's enough for you to get going. The rest of it I will have later. And that's it. So if you guys have questions, please email me. If we need to do Google Chat, you know, I'm going to be at my house. So it's not a problem. If you have just an easy question, just email me, and we'll get through this. So this should be a very easy project. It just is going to take some time. Okay. So let me know if you have any questions, and I still will be sending you reminders about what you need to do every day. Probably video reminders, because I know that you'll miss me. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.